Morning's here. The morning's here.
Chandler Bing. You should know that a lot of today's vlog will be shot on the iPhone 6. Woo! Holly was in charge of waking us up this morning, and she failed in a massive way. Our flight boards in like 40 minutes. We had to go to the parking lot, then take a shuttle to Newark Airport, then go through TSA. With 5 minutes to spare, we made it to the gate.
That's pretty impressive.
For this flight, we're flying United from Newark to London Heathrow.
You get a little blankie and then a pillar.
I feel like Ross Geller going to find Emily in London right now.
I'm actually quite pleased with the legroom. I'm a fat guy, obviously, so let's do the tray test. Here we go. Look at that. Look at all that distance, folks. Normally in economy, this is like right up on my gut. Not here, fam.
On this flight, breakfast was included and beer and wine were complimentary. I was truly surprised by that. My meal came with a blueberry yogurt muffin thing, a fruit cup, some Chobani peach yogurt, and an omelet with potatoes. It was actually pretty decent for airplane food. Holly's meal was the same, but instead of an omelet, she had pancakes.
It's blue. I think it has like peaches and cherries or something on it, and there's a piece of sausage.
The flight is about 7 hours. It sounds like a long time. I think whether or not it is a long time depends on the actual flight you go on. It's a case-by-case basis. This one was superb. Likely the greatest United flight I've ever been on. All right, we have officially made it into the United Kingdom. Holly is very excited.
Great British pounds.
All right, we've got our cash. We just called an Uber. We're staying at the LaLit. In 10 words or less, describe how you feel. I don't know. 3 words. Good job. I gotta say, this was perhaps the longest Uber ride ever. Seriously, it lasted like an hour. So you come in, boom, entryway, hallway. Notice the nice wooden floors. Big mirror. One Holly to boot. Yes, the ceiling really is that tall. What do you think? That's 14 feet, Holly?
Yeah, I would say it's more than that, really.
Really?
Closer to 20.
Wow. So the hardwood floors are throughout except in the bathroom. You have a nice chair over here to sit and ponder life. You've got a nice, magnificent bed. This beautiful artwork above the bed. And this light right here has a little pool. I don't know what's going on.
What did you do?
Uh-oh.
What did you do, Lincoln?
The hell is that?
Let's turn it off.
I can't. Uh-oh.
Can I?
I didn't just like pull a fire alarm, did I?
Well, why would you leave that next to the bed?
I don't know. What the? Uh-oh. I don't think it's that big of a deal. After a bunch of people came running into the room, of which I do not have video of, we learned. So after 3 people came up here to make sure we were okay, this little red wire is an emergency wire. Do not pull it if you ever stay here. There's also one in the bathroom. Whoops. Everything in the room, any food, any water that you see, it's all free. It's included in the price, which by the way, this was only $200 a night, guys. Let me ask you something. How many $200 a night hotels have you stayed in that look like this? And of course, I forgot to mention the bathroom. Yes, there is finally a bidet. I will be able to clean my buttocks. And then your sink area, and then this is the shower area. It's kind of like the whole thing can just be a shower area, apparently. I guess, I don't know. All right, we are heading somewhere to eat. It's raining. It's raining in like 50 degrees. This rain's falling like snowflakes. Isn't that weird? We ended up going to several restaurants before finding somewhere to eat. Some were closed and so on. Needless to say, Holly was hangry. She's getting hangry.
And it's cold.
Say it again.
And it's cold. And I don't want to be walking around in the cold.
Guys, there is a literal fox in the middle of the sidewalk. In the middle of London. There's a park right here, to be fair. There he goes. After walking around some more, we ended up deciding on a place called the Chicken Cottage. It wasn't the greatest place in the world, but it got the job done. All right, Holly, how was your first day in England?
Well, I got really hangry. And that was a problem. But I saw a fox. So that helped.